Notice your skin looking dull, joints feeling off, or energy dipping, even though you're trying to stay on top of your health? You eat well, drink water, maybe use a decent moisturizer, but it's not quite clicking. There's something you might be overlooking: collagen. It keeps your skin tight, joints smooth, and gut solid. I'm breaking down what collagen does, how to take it correctly for better absorption, who it's for, and what science says about those powders everyone's buzzing about. Can a daily scoop alone really help? Your body's like a machine that runs smoothly in your 20s, but after that, collagen, the stuff holding your skin, joints, and gut together, starts slipping away about 1% a year. Toss in some sun, stress, or late night pizza, and it fades faster. That's when you see sagging skin, creaky knees, or just feel off in the mirror. So, can you rebuild collagen to slow this down? I'll walk through the research, share what's worked for me, and see if it's worth your time. Collagen's the backbone of your skin, joints, bones, and gut lining. Your body makes it from amino acids like glycine and proline, but that process slows with age. Supplements, hydrolyzed peptides from fish or cows, break it into bits your body can use. Does it actually work? A 2019 study in Nutrients showed women taking collagen for 12 weeks had better skin elasticity and fewer wrinkles. A 2021 study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found it gave skin more bounce, like it was fighting back. Most people do it wrong. It is not about eating bone broth or collagen-rich foods. Eating the right foods help, but collagen needs to be combined with other nutrients for better absorption. Vitamin C is a must. It sparks enzymes that turn amino acids into collagen. Without it, your scoop's just fancy protein. Omega-3s keep inflammation low, so skin stays soft and joints move easy. Zinc, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants like vitamin E are like glue, helping collagen do its thing. Our diets often miss these. Bone broth, fish skin, and organ meats are packed with collagen, but I'm not cooking that every day. Even veggies aren't as nutrient rich anymore. Soil depletion weakened them, per a 2004 study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition. If you're over 25, it's happening. Athletes, runners, lifters, or yoga fans use it up faster from joint wear. Vegans get almost none from food. Women past 30 take a bigger hit from hormonal changes. My sister, 40 and a busy mom, was frustrated with brittle nails and sore hips. She started collagen with vitamin C and fish oil. 3 months later, her nails were tough, and she was back to spin class without wincing. Guys need it too. Collagen helps muscle recovery and sleep, since glycine chills you out. I wondered if I could just eat my way to more collagen. For a week, I went hard. Bone broth, sardines, chicken skin. It was great, but a ton of effort, and I'd need buckets of broth to hit the 10-gram studies recommend. Supplements are easier for hectic days. A 2018 study in marine drugs showed marine collagen absorbs better than food anyway. Still, I make broth on weekends. It's like a warm reset for my system. How about the joints? A 24-week study in Current Medical Research and Opinion found athletes taking collagen had less pain during movement. My brother, 36, and a basketball nut, used to hobble after games. 2 months of collagen, and he's back to dunking or trying. Then there's gut health. Collagen's amino acids, like glutamine, patch up your intestinal lining. A 2020 study in Nutrients linked it to less bloating and better digestion. I didn't expect it, but my random stomach issues calmed down after a few weeks of collagen in my tea. I used to think drinking more water would fix it all. Last winter, my skin was so dry, I was chugging water like it was my job. It helped a bit, but my joints still ached, and I felt drained. Water's great, but it doesn't rebuild collagen. A scoop with the right nutrients gets to the core. Picture stirring collagen into your smoothie. It's tasteless, takes 10 seconds, and could support your whole body. I do it while checking my phone, no big deal. Does it work for everyone? Age and lifestyle matter. Older folks, especially postmenopause, see slower results because collagen production drops hard. Per a 2022 study in clinical interventions in aging, active people or those with joint pain often notice changes faster. My 50-year-old neighbor, a hiker, felt his knees loosen up after 6 weeks, but my 63-year-old mom needed 4 months for smoother skin. Stick with it. 8 to 12 weeks is where it kicks in. Here's how to make it work. Take 10 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides daily, 1 scoop. Pair with 500 milligrams vitamin C, like an orange or a pill. Add 1000 milligrams omega-3s, fish oil or algae-based for vegans. Zinc or hyaluronic acid are nice add-ons. Pick third-party tested products to avoid junk. Track your skin, joints, or energy to stay motivated. I take a quick selfie monthly to compare. It's subtle, but keeps me going. I got curious about other ways to boost collagen naturally. Strength training signals your body to make more. Sleep's critical. Your body rebuilds at night. I started lifting twice a week and aiming for 8 hours of sleep. With collagen, it's like a double win. Fasting, like the 16-8 method, boosts autophagy, your body's cleanup mode, which could help cells use collagen better. A 2021 study in nutrients ties fasting to better skin health. It's not a must, but it's a good hack you can add. Still think it's a fad? I was skeptical too. Supplements can feel like a cash grab, but the research stacks up. Collagen improves skin hydration, joint function, and gut health when you're consistent. I'm no guru, just someone who wants to feel good without a million steps. Collagen's simple and fits my life. Downsides? It's not free, $20 to $40 a month. Some get bloating, so start with 5 grams. And don't skip real food. Berries, greens, and healthy fats make it work better. Collagen won't stop aging. Nothing does. Genetics, stress, and time keep moving. But it gives your body tools to slow the wear, per a 2023 study in skin pharmacology and physiology. It's about aging stronger, not chasing youth. I feel it in my energy, how my joints handle workouts, and my gut staying steady. Small habits, like swapping chips for almonds or adding collagen, stack up over time. Can a daily scoop help you feel stronger? Yes, if you do it right. Take 10 grams of hydrolyzed collagen with vitamin C, omega-3s, and a solid diet. Give it 8 to 12 weeks to support your skin, joints, and gut. It's a simple way to age with resilience, not frustration. Try it in your coffee or smoothie and see how you feel. I started noticing my own changes at 33. My skin looked flat, even with a good diet, and my knees ached after long walks. I'm no health wizard, just someone juggling work and life. After checking the studies, I added collagen to my coffee, paired with vitamin C to help it absorb. 2 months in, my skin had a quiet glow, and my joints felt less grumpy. It wasn't like waking up in my 20s, but it was a real difference. Hit the like button below and subscribe for more practical ways to feel better. Check the description for free resources.